move. Chad Cotton now. Deep under brakes down the inside of Robbo. Cotton deep under brakes as he did to Craig Harris earlier. Pitched to the room. Robbo's going to maintain the outside line, and he is.
Cotton using the rear of the car to get it around the corner, wagging the big tail of that blue Mustang.
Well, a ripper weekend for Chad Cotton this weekend at Queensland Raceway. And Chad, you got to be absolutely delighted. The car went like a rocket ship.
It did go like a rocket ship when it went. I had a few problems with the shifter all weekend. I'd go from last back up to up on the pointy end, and then I'd lose it by the shifter jamming. But look, that's motorsport, and we came back at the end. I just couldn't put away old Pete. So it's his home track, and I expected him to give me a hiding anyway. Yeah, look, like I've said before, these cars are really easy to drive. I actually got in the little car last weekend and found it very difficult to drive compared to this. I found it very heavy, and although there's not a lot of vision out of these compared to the little ones, these are a pleasure to drive. At all the power you need under your foot whenever you need it. It's there when you want it, and and the guys that we're racing with are just unreal. Giving it plenty of room, and yeah, it's been great. Coming
from a good motorsport background, of course, how are you finding the product so far? They are just a plug and play situation, aren't they?
Yeah, look, I mean, there's obviously teething issues with all categories, but as far as these goes, it's minimal. I mean, I know with the little cars and a few other categories I've run with, it's been nothing but dramas and dramas and dramas. Whereas these are, like Peter Robinson said before, they're near bulletproof. Wrap up for Sydney and for Queensland Raceway. It's been a great weekend. We're here Saturday, Sunday. The guys were here Friday. We've achieved a couple of things this weekend. Showed them we can drive it not only forwards but sideways. We've maxed out the car. We've actually hit the real popper limiter, which was pretty good down the front straight of Eastern Creek, which everyone aims to do. So basically this weekend we've had the cars on display. And I think I've just about lost my voice from explaining what they are. The interest has been phenomenal. The guys, I know all the guys have been flat out, showing off their cars, kids in and out of them. Peter Robinson's been flat out with brochures and cards and whatnot. So look, they've got a few guys looking for quotes, and a few guys want to have a drive and stuff. And I think what we started here is, or what Pete started and what we've joined in on, is a fantastic class, and I'm really looking forward to where it goes from here. So I just want to take the opportunity to thank my sponsors, Supreme Dry Cleaning and Autocolours, also ACT Spray Setting for coming along and helping me out through all the races. Also my family, and also all the guys from TA2. Thanks guys, it's been great.